Okay, guys, last one for today. It is of a drawing of a female. Again, I think I'll try some males tomorrow, but for today I have kind of concentrated on females, sorry, and their bodies. First one didn't quite work out. It's far too angular and far too heavy on the pressure of the pencil, and as much as it's okay, I like the hair and I like the neck, but do not like the face. Just didn't work out, and it was just everything was off about it. So yeah, abandoned that. The second one was the best one out of all three, and there is still room for improvement, obviously, because drawing is a continuous effort of improvement. But again, really like the hair, I like the neck, and the overall layout and proportions of the features on the face actually worked out really well, and I'm really happy with it. I used for all three of them the Loomis, geometric and observational methods combined, and again I feel that's working really well for me personally at this stage of my learning. Third and final one, too heavy on the pressure of the pencil. You can tell I'm starting to get tired, and it's too long and too narrow, so the proportions of the features on the face just didn't work. As much as the features were in line with the original reference photo, it doesn't work out with the drawing that I've put down for the face shape, if that makes sense. The hair is okay, sorry, shadow in the lamp. The hair is okay, not the worst, not the best. Room for improvement. I will continue with my efforts tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. Lots and lots of drawings tomorrow. Stay tuned for those. I will be doing males and different poses, so I'm really looking forward to that. And I will continue with my efforts. For those of you who have just joined me, thank you so much for sticking around, and I really look forward to doing more drawings with you guys. Bye!